everybody, my name is Nyasha and I'm going to tell you a nice recipe about mangoes. Do you love mangoes? I love them. Here I'm going to tell you the recipe of a mango cake and you guys will love it. So, before doing anything or making something, you must remember to sanitize your hands with hand sanitizer. Now I'm going to tell you the ingredients. I have 3 slices of bread. I've cut in the corners, few mango cubes, and a bowl of milkshake. So, first, I'll take some mango shake in a spoon and spread it. And now I'll put them like this. Now, as we have put in them in layers, and now we'll put them on the sides. I've put in the cake on the plate, and now I'm going to cut it like this. So, you can see that my mango cake is ready, and I'm going to eat it and enjoy it.